హాయ్ ఫ్రెండ్స్, మనం ఇప్పుడు క్లైమేట్ ఆఫ్ ఇండియాలో టాప్ 40 క్వశ్చన్స్ని డిస్కస్ చేసుకుందాం. ఫస్ట్ క్వశ్చన్, యావరేజ్ డే టెంపరేచర్ రికార్డెడ్ ఇన్ ది సమ్మర్ సీజన్ ఇన్ ది నార్త్ వెస్ట్ అండ్ సెంట్రల్ ఇండియా. ఆన్సర్ ఈస్ 41 degrees to 42 degrees Celsius. Second question, in winter the minimum temperature recorded in dash. Answer is North India. Third question, the pre-monsoons in Andhra Pradesh are known as. Answer is mango showers. Fourth question, German word trade means. Answer is track. Fifth question, the main purpose of intergovernmental panel is. Answer is reduce global warming. Sixth question, periodically changes of the direction of the winds is called monsoon. This was named by the dash. Answer is Arabs. Seventh question, temperature moving from polar region to equator. Answer is increases. Eighth question, India gets highest rainfall with the influence of dash. Answer is southwest monsoons. Ninth question, the least temperature and rainfall recorded at dash. Answer is Leh. Tenth question, which coast receives maximum rainfall during retreating monsoon season? Answer is Coromandel coast. 11th question, monsoon's burst takes place in dash. Kerala. 12th question, the dry and hot local winds which are experienced by northern plains are called dash. Lu. 13th question, the period of retreating monsoons in India is called November-December. 14th question, these show average monthly values of maximum temperature, minimum temperature and rainfall for given place. Answer is climographs. 15th question, in this place there is not much difference in the temperature across month. Answer is Chennai. 16th question, this place have wide difference in temperature across the month. Answer is Delhi. 17th question, dash is surrounded by the seas. Answer is Southern Peninsula. 18th question, the average temperature for the year dash as you go further away from the equator. Answer is drop or decrease. 19th question, India is divided into two equal parts by. Answer is Tropic of Cancer. 20th question, insolation is maximum at this place. Answer is tropical zone. 21st question, India situated roughly between dash latitude 8 degrees northern and 37 degrees northern. 22nd question, the causes for occurrence of land and sea breeze is. Answer is land and water relationship. 23rd question, the climate of Ooty is cool in summer because of dash. Answer is relief feature. 24th question, jet stream's movement is above dash meters height. The answer is 12,000 meters. 25th question, the speed of jet streams in winter is. Answer is 184 km per hour. 26th question, the speed of jet streams in summer is. Answer is 110 km per hour. 27th question, this is usually the coldest month in the winter. Answer is January. 28th question, western disturbance or cyclone depression coming from dash. Answer is Mediterranean Sea. 29th question, this is more powerful as a greenhouse gas. Answer is methane. Answer is methane. 30th question, IPCC conference 2013 was held at dash. Answer is Warsaw. 31st question, global warming trend is called anthropogenic global warming from this time. Answer is since industrial revolution. 32nd question, the state has wide differences in temperature across the month. Answer is Rajasthan. 33rd question, IPCC means Intergovernmental Panel on Climate Change. 34th question, relate the southwest monsoons with the following water body. Answer is the Indian Ocean. 35th question, a thin layer of game surrounds the earth due to its dash. Answer is gravitational pull. 36th question, the atmosphere traps a lot of solar energy that reaches earth which is called the dash. Greenhouse effect. 37th question, anthropogenic means. Answer is caused by humans. 38th question, according to IPCC developed countries means. Answer is industrialized countries. 39th question. The 43rd session of IPCC was held at. Answer is Kenya, Nairobi. 40th question. 66 and of northern latitude is called. Answer is Arctic latitude. Okay friends, thank you.